So we're now going to look at how to reverse the car into a parking space. In this example, we're going to park on the right hand side. We need to be central down the space available. If the space is really huge, about a car width from the edge of the spaces that you want to park into. First off, pick your target space. This one on the right hand side is the one that we're going to use today. We're going to drive forwards until the third line away from the space sits on our shoulder, just like this. Also, the fourth line will sit just under the mirror, so now we know we're aligned. We select reverse gear. Make sure we look all around the vehicle to make sure it is safe, both blind spots and all in front of you and your mirrors. And then we start reversing, and just after we start reversing, we gently turn towards the space until we achieve a full lock of the wheel. Have a look now, both blind spots again. This time use your mirrors to make sure that the car is coming into the space that you wish to park into. We can now see in the mirrors that we're in the space and that the car is straight by looking in front of us. The car must be straight, so now we straighten the wheel. But because we've stopped the car, we need to look all around the car again, especially this time through the window of the car behind us, and then reverse into the space until all four wheels are inside the line. How do we know all four wheels are inside the line? Well, if you look at the edge of the spaces, on the ends, they will sit just below the mirror. Once you're in, secure the car. We are now in a parking space, reversed in successfully.